for chapter 1. Now, most of you too young to know what they're even talking about over here. Now, I've told you in the past, I like being able to reuse things and take shortcuts when I can. Doesn't mean I'm lazy. It just means that as a programmer, I try to be as efficient as I can. Well, go ahead. Let's get rid of this. Come down. We're going to do a right line. And let's open and close our quotation marks. And we'll wrap that up with a semicolon. So there's my output statement. That's a right line statement. Control C, I copied it. How many lines do they want? They want 5 lines of output from us. It didn't work the way I wanted it to. And let's copy this again. Enter, Control V. There we go. 3, 4, 5. Now, this will print out literally whatever's in between these quotation marks. It's a string literal constant. So let's take this text that they've provided us, copy it, drop it in there. We'll take this, copy it, drop it in the second one. See, this doesn't have to be that difficult. And if we go about what we're doing, working smart, and things happen a whole lot easier when we think them through ahead of time. So as programmers, we love to reuse things that we've already created. Shows off our hard work and makes the work that we do so much easier. So if I have something that I've written in the past and it works, and I can reuse it and only in a minor way modify it to be able to use it in a different way now, we will do that as programmers every chance that we can. So let's go ahead and run that and see what it does. Output, shaving brushes, you'll soon see them on a shelf in some museum, Burma shave. Okay, let's test it, see what Cody thinks about it. There's Cody. Cody just did 2 tests, happy with both of them. Checked for the first right line that had Burma shave. That happened to be the last line here. And it looked to see if you had 4 or 5 lines. So apparently, in these other ones, you could have had anything. Let's see what it says here. Happy, joy, joy. Old Ren and Stimpy line. Let's run the code, see what it does. Shaving brushes, you'll soon see them. Happy, joy, joy. In some museum, Burma shave. Cody, what do you think? 2 out of 2 tests. So we know it's looking for specific strings of characters, and it's looking for a specific number of right lines. It found sufficient right lines, and it found that specific string of characters. All right. Don't get too crazy with what you put in there, but now you know what it's looking for and how we're doing what we're doing. Okay? So there we are. We're through that first chapter. Like I said, we skipped 5. 5 wasn't anything that was, there was no actual grade associated with it. So it didn't populate over to Blackboard. So I went ahead and deleted that one out. And let's go ahead and submit that one for a grade now that you've got your 2 out of 2. And I'll see you in chapter 2.